Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we'll discuss how we can install AnyDesk on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that AnyDesk is a remote access software. Using it you can access other computers, or you can also provide your access to another user. Let me show you how you can install it. For that, simply open any browser, search for AnyDesk and open the link from anydesk.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here, simply click on download now button and it will download an exe file. Once the download has been completed, simply open the installer file. Here we have our AnyDesk setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Now to install it, simply click on Install AnyDesk on this device option. And here you can select your installation location where you want to install AnyDesk. I will suggest you to keep it default, then keep everything to default settings, and here click on accept and install and wait for the installation process to complete. If you get Windows security window, then here simply click on install button to install the required driver for AnyDesk. Now it will install AnyDesk on your Windows computer. After that you are ready to start a remote session. So that's it. This is how you can install AnyDesk on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.